Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So what you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to go to search bar and type your registry editor. Then click here to open it. Now select S. Once we are here, we need to just go back to the main screen. Like we have to go to the HKey current user. So just go back and expand the HKey current user. Once we are here, we need to enter the control panel folder. So select it and expand these. Then we need to go to desktop folder, expand these, and in the desktop folder open Windows Matrix. Just select it. On the right side we need to go to the icon sharing, icon spacing. Simply double click on it and we need to add a value of minus 1125 here, as you can see on my window. Add minus 1125, then click on OK. Again do the same process for the icon vertical spacing, minus 1125, then click on OK and simply restart your system. Your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effective. Please check out once, and yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.